Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily manage the sound optimization in your ASUS ROG Cetra SpeedNova true wireless earbuds. At first, open your application and tap Device Manager. Tap OK right here and tap these earbuds that are on the top in your application. To know how to pair your device with the application, just check our channel because we have a video for that. The application is called the Armory Crate. Once we are here, tap Audio and tap Sound Optimization. This is nothing but equalizer. If you prolong it, as you can see with this arrow, you can find everything. For example, here flat, we can set it, for example, from flat to FPS preset, movie, racing, RPG, or the custom one. Tap OK to set, and let me, for example, set it to, for example, FPS. Tap OK, and we can reset this with just a simple tap. Now, once resetted, we do have something called Dirac. Dirac Optio digitally enhances the sound of headphones, unlocking their full potential and providing an optimized playing experience based on a patented correction technology. So actually, I don't believe this kind of things, but this is not the video about my opinion. This is only a quick tutorial. So here you can enable disable the Dirac by just tapping on this switch right here. And now, apart from that, we do have virtual surround sound, which is actually real and I know that. Here you can enable disable this option, and apart from that, you can enable disable the equalizer. Here we can, as you can see, set default, classic, hip hop, jazz, metal, techno, rock, vocal custom preset. Let me, for example, set it to rock. This is the rock pre-made preset, as you can see right here. If we tap it right again, we can, for example, change to metal, and it's changed. Let me, for example, set it to customize, and this is a flat normal one. Here we can manage these sliders, and I'm very impressed because they work with the haptics, so that's nice actually. So we can, for example, set something like this, and this is a equalizer, for example. Apart from that, we do have something called bass boost in this headphones, and to enable or disable that, tap this switch right here to enable or disable. Apart from that, here we do have this slider which increases or decreases the value of the bass boost. To disable all these things that we have done, tap reset, disable, and here tap this preset right here, tap flat, OK, and tap this arrow to completely disable it. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.